Welcome to our video guide on managing UPS shipping for your website. After installing the UPS module via the App Shop, navigate to the Modules, Shipping, and Online tabs. Look for United Parcel Service API v2 and click Edit to configure. Let's configure your UPS shipping options. Toggle UPS shipping on for your website. Enter your UPS client ID, client secret, and account number for negotiated rates. Set a default weight for products. Choose packaging options. Use tax classes for shipping fees. Define shipping zones. Select the shipping origin. Specify origin details. Choose test or production mode. Indicate weight measurement preference. Enable additional data in title. Set a handling fee. Manage delivery dates and ownership settings. Control display order during checkout. Lower values will prioritize this method. Select specific UPS services. Opt for error logging and notifications. Now, let's customize restrictions. Restrict shipping to specific customer groups, countries, and pages. Specify module names for backend and frontend. Enable tracking for better shipment visibility. Click Update to save your settings, and you're all set to streamline UPS shipping on your website.